Alrighty guys, so now we're going to talk about the oxygen concentrator specifically. So this is an extremely critical piece of equipment that you're going to use in the NBU. Generally the way it functions is it takes the gas from the atmosphere, which is composed of carbon dioxide, nitrogen gas, oxygen, and a number of other different gases. And it concentrates just the oxygen up to a purity of 93% plus or minus 3%. That's what this is rated for. So it basically takes your regular 21% atmosphere and condenses that down to potentially 93% oxygen to give to your patient. So it's really, really important for patients who need respiratory support and are having trouble maintaining their own oxygen saturation. So to test the oxygen concentrator, you're going to make sure that it is plugged in to the wall. You're going to make sure that it is plugged in to the back of the machine. Make sure the outlet is on, and then you're going to turn on the machine. We're going to make sure that the humidifier bottle is filled with water so that we are providing humidified oxygen to the baby, and not just any water. It needs to be sterile water, or if you can't find sterile water, sometimes distilled water can be used, and the bottle itself needs to be cleaned. So I have filled these bottles and they are both clean, and they are between the minimum and the maximum water levels. So now I'm going to make sure that the bottle itself is tightly connected to the lid. So I'm going to tighten here. Yep, that's tight. I'm going to tighten here. Yes, that is tight. Now I'm going to make sure that the lids themselves are tightly connected to the oxygen concentrator machine. So I'm going to tighten the lid itself right here. Make sure that's tight. Yes, it is. Make sure that's tight. Yes, it is. Okay, so I have filled my humidifier bottle canisters between the minimum and maximum water levels with sterile water. I have tightened the bottle itself to the lid, and I have tightened the lid to the machine. So this should be tightly connected to the machine on both sides. So now I'm going to open up and make sure that I get oxygen flow out of the humidifier bottle ports, and also make sure that I see bubbling in the bottles themselves. So I'm going to turn it up, make sure my ball raises all the way up to 5, because this machine is rated to put out 5 liters per minute. Some machines are rated to put out 10 liters per minute. Just make sure that you test that your specific machine is functioning correctly. So I've raised this all the way up to 5. I see from the center of the ball it's at 5. You always measure from the center of the ball. I see bubbling coming out of the canister. I'm also going to check to make sure that I feel air. There should be a little buildup of pressure. You can hear that. So I have oxygen flowing on the valve that I can see based on where the ball is raised to. I see bubbling through the canister, and I feel air coming out of the humidifier bottle outlet. So this one is functioning as I expect. Now I'm going to test this side. Same thing, go all the way up to 5. Make sure that the center of the ball reaches 5. You always measure from the center of the ball. I'm going to confirm that there's bubbling here. And then I'm going to confirm that I feel oxygen coming out. If I cover the outlet, I feel gas and I feel a little pressure. And now I know that my oxygen concentrator is functioning as I expect it to. If I run into any problems where I'm trying to test and I don't feel air coming out of here, or there's no pressure, or I'm not getting bubbling, I'm going to confirm that my bottle is tightly sealed to the lid, and then that the lid is tightly sealed to the machine. There's also some rubber seals that are supposed to be inside of here, so you can confirm that those are in place to make sure that you have a good seal. And if after tightening everything and making sure that your seals are in place and making sure that the machine is on and everything is how it's supposed to be, and the machine is still not working, immediately tell the nurse in charge so that you can get a functioning oxygen delivery device back to the NBU as soon as possible. So that's how you're going to ensure that your oxygen concentrator is working. You should do this every single time you come into shift in the NBU. Thank you.